Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the content you'll capture, place windows, and hide sensitive items. Now press Shift-Command-5, that opens the screenshot toolbar instantly. Use it because it gives visual controls and keyboard alternatives. This prevents guessing. Once the toolbar appears, choose a capture mode, full screen for everything, window mode for an app, or drag to select a portion. Make sure you see the Options button before proceeding, as it sets your save location and timer. You now refine how the screenshot or recording behaves. First, decide capture versus record. Still images are instant, recordings include sound and motion. Click Options to set a 5 or 10-second timer, choose desktop or clipboard as the save location, and enable the internal mic if you need narration. If you want to capture a single window, press spacebar to toggle into window mode. Otherwise, drag to make a precise selection. These controls make captures repeatable. You're ready. Click Capture for a still or record for video. Recordings show a stop button in the menu bar. Once done, a thumbnail appears at the screen corner. Click it to trim, annotate, or share quickly. Save to your chosen folder or drag the thumbnail into an app. If nothing happens when you press Shift-Command-5, check that keyboard shortcuts are enabled, restart the screenshot app from Utilities, and make sure no other utility is intercepting the keys. That usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.